Today I'm going to show you how to manually sort columns on your pivot table. So in order to do that, first of all, go to the column that you want to move. In my case, is this one sum of volume, and you have to select the whole column right here. Sorry, and then hit Alt. So after you do that, you can simply go to right here to the margin of your column, and until you see this cursor that turns into some kind of a cross. And after you do that, you can simply drag it to the right. And let's say I want to place this one uh, right here between the sum of test and sum of volume. And as you can see, the column has been moved, and I can also select it again. And if I want to move it to the left, I can simply go to the left right here until I see also this cross, and I can drag it to the left, and I can simply move this column where I want to put it. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.